Seagulls, more accurately called gulls, are highly adaptable and intelligent seabirds found all over the world, especially near coasts and inland water bodies. Scientific family, Lardae. Species, over 50 species worldwide. Habitat, coastal areas, lakes, rivers, urban cities, garbage dumps, very adaptable. Size, varies from 11 to 30 inches, 28 to 76 centimeters. Diet, omnivorous, eats fish, insects, small animals, eggs, garbage, and even other birds' chicks. Gulls are highly intelligent and can learn tricks, like dropping hard-shelled prey from heights to crack them open. Some gulls use breadcrumbs to bait fish. They're excellent opportunistic feeders and can adapt their diet quickly. Communicate with loud, varied calls and body language. Known for aggressive food stealing, even from humans. Live in colonies and often nest on cliffs or rooftops. Both parents help incubate the eggs and feed the chicks. Skilled flyers with long, pointed wings. Can soar, hover, and make sharp turns, even ride air currents from ships or buildings.